So this is interesting about Kendo UI and multiple styles, which I need to do now because on my prototype, where I'm rebuilding Ning's page with the more designer sort of feel, user experience. How would a user experience designer redesign Ning's current page? Well, this is part of it. But I need to turn this one orange and this one I want to keep blue because we're going to frame, this is a frame, Windows frame that we scroll around in, and it doesn't stand out well being the same color as the table. They need to contrast. You should not have your frame match the environment contained inside the frame visually. So it'd be great if we could like make it glow orange and something like that too. Anyways, can I do that? Well, sure. And a quick look at Google, and my good friend Stack Overflow came to the answer. Came to my help quite quickly. It's quite easy. So I just need to make another style, and then I need to call, and then I need to change all the style sheets. So I need to stop using uh, the Kendo supplied Opal style sheet and copy it locally to continue doing this because I'll need to change the CSS to include a selector. I wonder if the theme builder will let me do that already. Um, yep, that's fine. Actually, I like that a lot. So I'll have one blue. Oh, it's saying the same thing basically. Um, that Oh, look, this even tells how to change all of a certain type, like all the time pickers at once, using some JavaScript. So I could style all of my JavaScript using one style sheet and not another, something like that. Okay, so I wonder what this is. Demos are always fun. Combo box, event, data bound, item 1, item 2, item 3, yeah, okay. So what am I supposed to learn about from this? I thought I was going to learn something about changing styles. I give up. The default theme is probably what I want. Maybe. I want something with a little more orange to it. Haha, that would definitely work in a very strange sort of way. It's a bit dark. So that you really can't tell from this particular page because we're not showing a lot. I should go to the theme builder page if I want to try out the different themes. Well, you know what? I should go to the theme builder page, huh? Um, um, so yeah, actually, this has the tabs that I want, and I'd really like to see more rounded corners on those tabs. I just think tabs should have a little more distinction. They don't stick out very well and look very tabish to me, as they are. But I never did really find that whole draggable, resizable thing, except for window, which is way better. So I guess I don't need to drag and resize. But why am I here? Hey, Kendo UI has a calendar. It's a pretty good one. I bet you can drag events on it. No, you cannot. Oh. Something the Bootstrap wrap template has going for it. I don't know if all the Bootstrap wraps have that though. And the upload's not nearly as cool as the it's kind of lame, really. Yeah, no, I want something with much more orange. So let's say I want a window, actually, is what I want. Groups and contents area. For color, it's going to be orange. Content color, it's going to be orange. There we go. But that's not what I want. No, this is excellent, man. I totally love this. No, this is definitely the way to do it. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot. Hmm. It's just gonna make sense anyways, though. create a k-text box. Maybe. Let's see. What does it's not actually that long. So what do I need? I need a regular expression to add regular expression to add a class to CSS roles. All right. Yeah, thank you. Right, so what I want is maybe I can do this in Blender. So a dot, usually applying to a dot. Or parentheses. It's maybe not too representative. Maybe this is what I need. No, this is pretty representative. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a closed brace followed by a dot. And then inside of that, anytime I see a dot, or anytime I see a comma space dot, I want to change it into FD3W 02 orange dot Okay, so that's going to be hmm. No, because there's commas in here all the time. Yeah, these are some points. There are commas. Yeah, there's commas there. Oh, look at that. This is going to be a pain in the ass. I'm going to have to go to a regular expression builder. This will take me like an hour to write a regular expression to add a class to all of these. Well, it's better than doing it by hand, but it's not what I want to do right now, is it? I don't know. Monkeying around with regular expressions is always fun. I do enjoy it, but I don't think it's my immediate agenda I need. However, I do really want two styles for my mock-up. Oh! Decisions. Well, they said I could just... Alright, so let's do this. Let's, hmm... Well, this is the sort of monkeying around with code Jerome wanted me to avoid. I guess I can see why, but nonetheless, it's really something I want to do. I think we need this window sooner or later. And we'll need it to be in a different color. And we will definitely need to have two colors easily interchanged. For the time being, why don't I see if I can at least override it. Forget about that for just right now. Thank you. Yes, you can refresh. Fine. Okay. No, I don't want you to go to Blue Opal. I want you to go to Kendo SFDPW Custom Accent Orange. Open. Good. Now that should take priority over the Blue Opal. So now when I save this and preview it in a browser, so you know what I'm missing here? I'm missing my icons, and that's what they were warning me about. And no, it did not. Either the color didn't work, or what's up down there? Okay, so we've got the same old still. So these are commented out because they don't have the icons in the right place. It's that whole base thing. If I change the base, it might work actually. But I don't want to change the base. So all the icons are not stored locally. Yeah, I need to download and set it up correctly, store all that stuff. There's probably a whole bunch that comes with it in terms of icons and fonts and crap like that, which I'm working without. So, because I just wanted to quickly set something up, so I copied something from the demo, which is good. I mean, that was the right thing to do. But now it's slowing me down. Alright, well, maybe I'll call it quits for a while. I mean, this is a pretty cool accomplishment, I gotta say. I'm really happy with the work that I've done so far. You know what it needed? Yeah, that's right. It needed a add columns, show hide columns button. Yeah, I don't want to work that out now. I think I've lost motivation. I'm gonna quit for the day, maybe.